Another reason that your handyman is worth $100 an hour is because we'll still be around in 5 years. Again, this is for those of us that are worth that much, that are actually trying to build something here. We're building a business that we anticipate continuing to do in 5 years. We're not between jobs. We're not filling in 6 months of unemployment, going and doing some side work just to put some cash in the bank so that we can keep getting unemployment. That's not what we're doing. We're going to be around in 5 years, and we're going to be around in 10 years. And again, take the shutoff valve as an example. If it doesn't destroy the house, if that shutoff valve fails in 5 years, and it does a decent amount, let's say $3,000 worth of damage to that kitchen, we won't need to bring in insurance. We'll be here, and you'll be able to call us back. Our property managers can call and say, hey, the shutoff valve that you put in 5 years ago just failed and it did a lot of damage in the kitchen. And of course, this is an unrealistic scenario, but you can pick your own scenario. Maybe it's an outlet that you installed in somebody's garage and it caught on fire and it did 3,000, it burnt some siding on the side of the garage and luckily it didn't spread, but now somebody's got to replace that siding. I'm worth $100 an hour because I'm the guy that you're going to be able to call in 5 years and tell me that something happened and it caused damage and it was from work I did. I'm going to be here and I'm going to go back and I'm going to do that work for free. And I'm charging enough today to cover that when it happens later because I will be around at that time to get that done.